Hello students, in today's class we will see how to find out the square root of a given value. ठीक है, this is the logbook and square root from 1 to 10 are given here, and if you want to find out the square root of 1, so it's directly given 1. Okay, if you want to find out the square root of 1.2, so square root of 1.2 will be 1.095. Square root of 1.2, if you want to find square root of 1.2 will be 1.095. So I will write here square root of 1.2 will be 1.095. Okay, now suppose I want to find out square root of 1.23, then what? Now suppose I have to find out square root of 1.23. So what will I do? I will go to this 1.2 and I will go to 3 here. 1.23. 1.23 will be 1.153. It will be 1.153. 1.153. Understood? And suppose it is a 4-digit number, 1.235. Suppose I want to find out the square root of 1.235. So what will I do? I will go to 1.2, then I will find out the value in 1.2, and then I will go to 3. So it will be 1.23 and the value is 1.153. But I want to find out the square root of 1.235. So I will go to 5, mean difference. And what is the value given here? It's 2. So I will add this 2. What is the value of 1.23? 1.23 is 1.153 plus, this is the last digit. So we will find this in mean difference. The value of this will be found in mean difference and the value is 2. So it will become 1.155. These two digits are available directly here. We have to find first two digits here. The third digit will be found here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we will find the third digit and here we will find the fourth digit and its values. Okay, once more, let us see. It's a short video, we will understand in short how to calculate the value. Now let us suppose I want to find out square root of 4. So I will go to 4.0. I want to find out square root of 4. I have taken an easy value. I could have taken any other value also, लेकिन आपको मालूम होना चाहिए इसलिए. So square root of 4.0 is, shall I take any other value? Okay, let it be 4.4. I will take square root of 4.4. How much is it? So where will we go? Have they given any other value? Square root of 4.4 means 4.40. So we will find it here. 4.40 means 2.098. Square root of 4.4. If nothing is given, it means it is 4.40. And if you want to find out 4.40, if you want to find out the value of 4.40, it will be 2.098. This is the value of 4.4. Since no digit was present after 4, we put 0. Okay. Or suppose if they give 4.43, suppose, or let it be 4.45. So what will we do? We will go to 4.4. We will go to 4.4 and then we will find its value in 5. Let us see how. This is the square root table. We will find this is 4.4 and we have to find 4.45. So this is 4.40, 4.40, 4.41, 4.42, 4.43 and 4.45. See here, 2.107. This is 5. Is it 5? No, it's 4. it's 4. 0 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, 5 will be here, this value will be 5. So 4.45, this is C. If you go to the top, this is 5. So the value is 4.45 here, and that value is 2.110. I have disturbed that value. I have it is 4.45. If you want to find out the square root of 4.45, the value will be 2. This will be the value 2.110. And if I want, so have you understood? If I want to find out square root of 4.40, this will be the value 2.098. If I want to find out 4.41, this second will be the value. 4.42 will be this value. This is 4.40, 4.41, 4.42, 4.43, 4.44, 4.45, 4.46, 4.47, 4.48, 4.49, and 4.5 is directly available here. Understood? So this is how we find the value of 3 digits. But if the value is 4.453, then what? So we will find out 4.45 and we will go to mean difference 3, and the value of mean difference for 3 will be added to this value. So it will be 4.45. How much is 4.45? 2.110 plus, for mean difference, let us see the value. And the mean difference should be for 3. I will mark it here first. See, this is 3. You will come here, come here, come here, come here, and this value is 1. Okay, this value is 1. Now I will bring it closer. See, 4.40, 4.41, 4.42, 4.43, 4.44, 4.45, 4.45 is 2.110, and what is R value? 4.453. Now this is 4.45 and 3 is here in mean difference. So 4.453 will be 2.110 plus 1. So it will become, see here now on the board, so it will become, here we will add 1. So it will become 2.111. This will be the value of 4.453. Have you understood? The first 2 digits are given directly. If we have to find square root of 5.7, so where will we go? We will find out 5.7 in 0. If nothing is given, it is 5.7 is equal to 5.70. If we have to find 5.7, so it will be 5.70. So we have to go to 5.7, and 5.7 is given on the other page. See, this is it, 5.7. Nothing is given, so it is here 0. The value will be 2.387. The value will be 2.387. 2.387. Understood? This is for 2 digits. 5.7. Nothing is given means it is actually, these are 2 digits only. 5.7. And if they say find out root 5.7, 5.72, 5.72, then what will we do? 5.72 will be here. It is 5.70, 5.71, and this will be 5.72. And what is the value? 2.392. 2.392. So what is the value? 2.392. 2.392. This is the value of root 5.72. And if they say find out root 5.722, suppose the value is 5.722. So what will we do? We will find the value of 5.72, and then we will go to mean difference. That last digit, we will go to mean difference, and from the mean difference we will find out the value for 2. See how. 5.72 is 2.392 and in mean difference this is 2 and the value is 0. So nothing will be added. This value will be the same, 392, and remember these are near about values. So it will be 2.392. I hope that you have understood it. Though mean difference was equal to 0 for this digit 2. That's why we did not add anything, and the value of 5.72 is nearly equal to root 5.722. Understood? And if we want to find out, suppose and here is on the next page in logbook they have given, though this will not be helpful in the board exam because in the board exam they don't provide square root table. Actually we have to use log. So this will be 10. Square root of 10 is 10.0 is 3.162. Square root of 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, 10.5, 10.6, 10.7, 10.8, 10.9 will be this value, and 11 will be this value. 11.1 will be square root of 11.1, square root of 11.2, 11.3, 11.4. These will be the values. Okay, understood? This will be 11.93. Square root of 11.9 will be 3.450. And if we have to find the value of 4-digit number, if it is suppose 11.67, if it is 11.67, so we will go to 11, then we will go to 6. This is the value 11.6, and here we will come to 7. This 10 will be the value. So how much will it be? 3.406 plus 10. So it will become 10 is actually the last, it is added to be on the right hand side. So it will become 3.416. 06 will become 16. We will add 10 on the right hand side. It is not 10 point something. It is 0.010. 10 is. So that answer will be 3.406 plus 10 will become 3.416. So this 10 is not actually 10 point something, it is 0.010. Okay, I hope you will be able to solve. Suppose some other value is given. If they give the value 456, find out the square root of 456. How can we find it? So we can do one thing, write it as 4.56 root 4.56 into 100. See, you know that in the square root table they have given square roots only up to 99.9. We cannot find any square root which is greater than 99.9. But suppose in the question we are asked to calculate square root of 456. What will we do? We will write 4.56 into 100. Always try to bring an even number here, even number, so that we can write it as square root of 4.56 into square root of 100, and square root of 100 will be 10, and we can easily find out square root of 4.56. We will go to 4.5 and we will find the value in 6. No need to add mean difference, and square root of 100 will be 10. So always try to bring even number here. 100, 10,000 means it should be 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 4, 10 raised to power 6, 10 raised to power 8. In this way we can solve. I hope you can solve such values and find out the answer. For your practice you should try to find out, let us say 4.73, and find out 786. Find out the square root of 786. Find out the square root of 52.8. So these are the 3 examples for your practice. Try and solve them and send the answers to me. Okay, or you yourself can check the answers by using square root table in your mobile phone. Okay, or by using log. Okay, chalo, have a nice time.